So, I'm kind of ready to make my first collage. I'm not going to video myself doing all of them, but I'll just show you how I'm going to work it. So I've got a series of circles because I can't cut a circle for toffee. So I've got an old loo roll thing, a glue stick, and then this cup just because it's conical, so it's got a big circle on that side, and then I'm going to use the bottom as well. And then I've chosen some papers that will kind of fit into the harmonious colour section of my colour wheel. So I'm not using everything, I'm using bits of the same colour, same set of harmonious colours, okay? So I've still got a nice big pile to use later. And then I've got just one of the marker pens that I was using. I might switch it out for a black one. This one's slightly blue. It's like a Prussian blue. And then a biro. And I'm going to use this to draw, but I'm also going to probably draw into my collage with the pens, just to get those lines that I keep talking about on every video, but that I really like. So to make it a little bit more defined. You will definitely need a glue stick. I just had to do an emergency run to the supermarket to get a glue stick. They generally will have things like glue sticks, biros, that sort of thing, even if it's just a little. I just went to quite a small supermarket. And scissors. Okay, so those are the things that you definitely need: Pritt stick and scissors, and then your paper. All right. Okay, so now I've got my piles of circles, rectangles and squares and triangles. I can start building my collage, but I just wanted to show you like all of these bits that I've cut out that are kind of big enough to do something with. So I've got a bin pile of tiny bits over here. But then these bits, which I could probably use later on, I have got a box of scraps that I'm keeping so that I have somewhere to put them later on. So that I can use them again later on. So once you've got all of your shapes cut out, you can start building the collage. And you're using the same principles as before. So thinking about different circles and different rectangles and how you build them up. So I'm actually going to start off by drawing myself some guidelines. So I'm just going to start by giving myself a box to work on. So with this kind of felt tip, and I'm just going to do myself a box like that. And then I can add the shapes. So once I'm happy with my composition, which I am, I can start sticking them down. So if you need to do something to, like, you might want to take a photo of it and then do it so that you remember what order you were going in. It's really up to you how you do it, but you just need to stick them down in the same order.